story about the broken horn. Let's get into it. Once a trader had a large flock of goats. People visited him from far and near to buy goats. He had employed a shepherd to take care of the goats. Every morning he used to take them to the nearby pasture. After sunset, he used to bring them back. Then all the goats were shut in a pen of the night. One day, as usual, the shepherd was prepared to drive the flock back to home. Suddenly, he saw some goats going astray. He tried to call them back by whistling. All the goats came back and joined the flock, but one stubborn goat stayed away. After waiting for a few moments, he hit the stubborn goat with a stone. The stone broke her horn. The shepherd was frightened to see this. He begged the goat not to tell anything to the trader. The goat replied, "Foolish man, the broken horn itself would tell him everything." Moral: truth itself speaks. Check out my previous videos in the description below. I will see you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye bye.